How to make ringtone on iPhone with GarageBand. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to make a ringtone on iPhone with GarageBand. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So first of all, open the GarageBand app on your iPhone. Then simply choose any instrument that's available. It doesn't matter which instrument you choose, as the procedure is going to remain the same. In the instance, we're choosing keyboard. Now once you have opened the instrument, tap on the project icon as shown in the screenshot below. Here, tap on the loop icon located on the top right corner in the order to open your audio recording. Now make sure you're under the music section and find the song that you want to use as a custom ringtone. Now simply long press the song that you want to use in order to open it in the project menu with GarageBand. Now simply drop the file as the second track, because the first track by default is reserved for the instrument you choose. Now tap on this track and drag the ends to trim the audio recording according to your preferences. Now you can play it back using the play icon located at the top if necessary. However, you might want to disable the annoying metronome by pressing the icon located in the right of record icon. Once you are done adjusting your clip, make sure it's under 40 seconds in length. Now tap the downward arrow icon at the top left corner and select My Songs. Now your GarageBand project will show up under the recents as My Songs. Long press on it to access more options. Now tap on Share as shown in the screenshot below. Then in this step, select Ringtone in order to export your project as ringtone. Now you can give a ringtone a name of your choice. Once you are done, tap Export located on the top right corner of the screen. Then once the export is successful, tap on Use Sound As in order to set it as your default ringtone right within GarageBand. Here you can choose it as it is your default ringtone or a text tone. Additionally, you also have the option to assign the sound to a specific contact. However, if you just want to add it to the list of existing ringtones, tap on Done instead. So that's it. Now you can make a ringtone using the GarageBand application. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.